I'm gonna make some chicken parmesan. For that I have 2 eggs right here, and I'm gonna add some garlic powder and onion powder to this, and I'm gonna mix this. I have a few tablespoons of the flour, which I'm gonna add again garlic powder and onion powder to this one too. Maybe a little salt because I'm making a chicken parmesan. Parmesan is salty enough itself. And I'm gonna just use like a big pinch of a smoked paprika, the sweet one. You mix it. If you think you like to have from one spice more than the other, it's all require the taste. I kind of like it more garlicky. It seems I want to have a little more garlic and onion in it. Normally a tablespoon of the onion powder and garlic powder, it's enough. I just put a little extra for me, and a black pepper. This is my dry, this is my wet stuff, which is my 2 egg. I have a chicken fillet, which I'm gonna put on inside 2 pieces of plastic, and I'm gonna pound it to be flat. And I have Parmesan cheese, which I grated myself. See how big is that? And you need the oil for stir fry the chicken. This normally served over pasta. You could just follow a direction on the pasta packaging and serve it with the pasta. Of course, I like to stir fry a little tomato as well to be side of it. I will show you. This egg I have, I'm gonna mix it. I like to put a little pinch of that smoked paprika, a little pinch. Don't do too much of the paprika. I know I always says it depends on your taste, but paprika, too much of it make it better. So you do not want to do too much of it. So here I had garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, a little salt, and a pinch of paprika. I like to add a little red flake to make it a little hot and spicy. You don't have to do this if you do not like spicy food. I'm gonna use a zipper bag because I like to flat this fillet of the chicken I have. See, this is the size of the fillet I have. It's not very flat. I'm gonna put them inside a zipper bag, and I'm gonna pound it to make it flat and thinner, like this. See how thin it got? This way the chicken gonna cook evenly. Let me show you how thin my chicken got. You see that? It was like this. Now it's like that. Alright. And I'm gonna do rest of it the same way. Okay, one more time. We're gonna put the chicken in our zipper bag. We pound it. Okay, the filleted chicken, which I flattened, I'm gonna put them in that mixture of flour, which has garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and paprika. Then I'm gonna put them inside in my egg mixture right here. I already warm up the pan in medium high heat with a 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. After egg, it's gonna go right here. It goes over my Parmesan, and you kind of flip flop it a little like this. And here it's my frying pan. Let's see how hot it is. Okay, then I'm gonna put this on frying pan like this. Try to make those Parmesan come together next to your chicken, and we're gonna continue doing it the same way. Okay, let's see if it's ready to flip. Yeah, see that? It lets go and flip. And this is my chicken Parmesan, and I'm gonna do rest of it the same order. I'm gonna use the clean one because chicken is cooked. The other one, these two I used for a raw, and these two I'm gonna use for a cooked chicken. So I'm gonna check it, see if it's both sides cooked. Yes, look how pretty is that. It's ready to remove. The cook is fully, the chicken is fully cooked. And I'm gonna put it over cooling pan, and is a tray under it, so excess oil could exit. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the same order. Chicken, that was my chicken. I put them on the flour, then I'm gonna put them on the egg mixture. I'm gonna make sure it's moist everywhere. Then I'm gonna drop it on Parmesan, and I flip flop with the Parmesan, and then I'm gonna put them in the hot oil. Just remember, use a set of the two for a raw chicken, and use the another set for cooked chicken. You don't want to mix these two, raw chicken, cooked chicken. It's better to use different color. All right. Okay, again with the clean tool, we're gonna go after the chicken. Look how chicken cooked. Oh yes, this is ready. Look at that. Pretty or what? Gonna put them on the tray on top of the rack. And let's check out this one. Beautiful or what? Let's try this one. Yeah, it's ready. I'm gonna remove the cooked one and put them on the rack, which is over a tray. The heat on the stove was medium-high heat. And I'm gonna add a little salt and a little pepper, and I'm gonna blend it to become liquidy for a sauce over the pasta. Okay, this is my 4 large tomato I sliced and I put them in a food processor with salt and pepper. Kind of like a thick liquid. I'm gonna use this as a sauce for my pasta. Okay, I removed the chicken from the pan and pan is warm. I'm gonna add my blended tomato to it, just enough to warm it up. Okay, it would be nice to add a little lemon juice to it. I'm gonna warm up this and I'm gonna add my pasta, which I made it by following direction in the box, and it's cooked and ready. I'm gonna put them right here. Look how pink and pretty it is, and in a natural way, no food coloring. Isn't that nice or what? Alright, pasta is ready, my chicken is ready, let's plate it. Okay, that is my chicken parmesan, and I made the quick pasta with the tomato sauce, which is just a homemade tomato sauce. I garnish it with the chive, and let's try it and see. Look, the chicken is fully cooked. Gonna cut them in small pieces and let's try with a little pasta. Wow, this is really nice. I had this dish in Cheesecake Factory and I came home and I tried to copy it, and I think this is a very good copy of that. Chicken is very moist and the top is, you see, crunchy. You can hear it. Alright, thank you very much for watching and let me know what you're thinking.